Merci, Monsieur Liarich. Η συνάδελφος Dodds από τους μη εγγεγραμμένους για 1,5 λεπτό.
Thank you, Madam President. I have consistently expressed my dissatisfaction with the original Commission proposal and the lack of importance given to food security. The farming and agri-food sectors are vital to the economy of Northern Ireland. A visionary CAP reform which recognised the importance of these sectors in global food security would have boosted this in Member States. This proposal is extremely complex, may restrict farmers' ability to produce food and in many cases will not deliver for the environment. Greening and cross-compliance measures must be balanced and proportionate. Regional flexibility is a must for Northern Ireland. Flexibility allows Member States and regions to implement the policy in a way which best suits the needs of farmers, wildlife and the environment. It also maximises the benefit of the CAP for farm incomes and food production. In Northern Ireland, given the link to historic payments, it is important that internal convergence is carried out in a manner which allows farm businesses to adjust to income variations. Transparent and objective criteria must be adopted to ensure rural development allocations are fair to Member States. Additional allocations in the budgets to individual Member States without explanation run contrary to this very important principle. I support the measures for young farmers as a small attempt at energising and sustaining the sector. Commissioner, there is much detail in the proposal, many issues for the up-and-coming trialogue negotiations. As you say, this is a start of a process. I do wish everyone well.
Σας ευχαριστώ, κυρία Dodds. Περνάμε στους άλλους εγγεγραμμένους ομιλητές. Θέλω να δώσω το λόγο πρώτα στη συνάδελφο McGuinness για 2 λεπτά.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Commissioner. Colleagues, it's impossible to sum up our work in 2 minutes, so let me be very direct here. The CAP will be